Hey, it's Denise from LoomaHat.com, and in this video I want to talk to you about a monthly subscription of yarn. Does that sound awesome to you, or is it just me? So earlier this month, a representative of KnitCrate contacted me about doing a review about their yarn subscription. And to be honest with you guys, like, my first immediate thought was, okay, I don't want to do a review, only because, I don't know, reviews are not really my thing. I need to get over that, but it is. I'm not crazy about reviews. But for many years, I've been doing beauty boxes every month. They come to my house, they come in these pretty bags, and I open them and it's like, yay, it's Christmas, it's my birthday, every month. It's just so much fun. And I've been introduced to so many products that I would not have used, to so many colors I would never have considered, and so many styles outside of my own that I thought to myself, like, makeup is not even my thing. You know, it's not one of those, oh my gosh, I so love makeup. And I've had so much fun every month getting my beauty box that I thought, I love yarn way more than I've ever liked makeup. Why would I not consider a monthly subscription for yarn, right? Because, hello, it's yarn. So yeah, so once I thought about that, once, you know, everything fell into place, because I'm a little, right? Once I figured out that, hey, somebody was offering me yarn to take a look at and decide whether I wanted to introduce you guys to it or not, that I was like, yeah, send me the yarn, and like, can you send it tomorrow, because I really want to see it. Disclosure, KnitCrate did not pay me to do this review. They did give me the yarn, but they didn't pay me. So again, it's a monthly subscription, so you pay a fee, and the one I'm going to introduce you to is KnitCrate's $24.99 monthly subscription. It is free shipping worldwide. So whether you're watching me in Canada or Germany or Thailand, hello, it's $24.99 and free shipping. This is what I got. This beautiful, beautiful yarn, and it's hard for you to really see what I see. I don't think that the video is going to give it justice. But here in my hand is a hand-dyed 40% merino wool, 30% silk, 30% alpaca, worsted weight, 149 yards of yum. Yeah. It feels amazing. And for the $24.99, you get 2 of these this month. This is, I want to say, for the February box, it's this one. Aside from this, they give you a knit pattern and a crochet pattern as part of your subscription. Now, I believe these get sent to your membership, so you have to go online to get them, but nonetheless they are part of the monthly subscription, and on their own they are a $10 value. So you got the yarn, you have the 2 patterns, and as loom knitters you can convert the knit pattern, and it should work out in most cases. But either way, $24.99 and free shipping is an awesome deal just for the yarn. And I normally don't show you guys too many patterns done with high-end yarn, because I could get concerned that maybe it's not something that's going to be accessible to you, or that it's going to be within your price range. And so I try to use things I think you can have yourself, so that whatever I made, you can make. And I find that with the price for the yarn, you can do this. It is doable. And oh gosh, how much fun is that? Every month you're gonna go to your mailbox, and you're gonna get a surprise. I don't know about you, but that's so much fun to me. I love that idea. And that I'm going to get yarn that I probably would not have thought of buying. And it's going to come to my door to hand-dyed hanks of beautiful yarn for free shipping. That, I think, on its own is crazy. So the understanding is that the value that you get for the $24.99, at least for this month, was worth $63. In retail, it's worth $63. So that is a heck of a deal. Each yarn on its own is a $24 retail priced. It's 4-ply, by the way, I forgot to tell you guys. And they give you coupon codes for the designers where you can go and check out more of their patterns at a discounted price. And they have, for you guys watching me, they are going to give you a 20% discount. So you're going to use the link that's here in the description. If you're on the website, it's somewhere on the post, and a code, and that will give you a 20% discount on your first order. So that's a deal, right? Oh, let me quickly tell you the other ones. This is my favorite of the membership options, is this one, but in case you have other likes, they do have an artisan crate for $34.99, which is a, I want to say, a more upscale version of this one, and they give you really cool goodies aside from the deal that is in this package. So you might get, you know, stitch markers or other kinds of cool gifts with your package. They also have a sock crate, which is $23.99, and they have a sock club, which is $19.99. And I would suggest follow the link that is in my description, go to the website, and check out what's going to work best for you. I want to say thanks to KnitCrate for introducing me to this yarn subscription. It's not like I never knew about yarn subscription, is that I never thought of it for myself. As knitters, we love to give, right? We're big time on giving. We just forget to give ourselves. And so this is a way for you to give yourself something every month. Even if you knit, even if you use it to knit for somebody else, right? But it's beautiful yarn and you're gonna have a good time knitting it. I know you will, because I'm going to, and great minds think alike. All right, guys, until next time, don't forget the coupon code. Ciao.